How to use Drake software review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Drake software is a professional tax software, but beginners often misinterpret reviews and make costly mistakes. Here's how to use Drake software effectively. The first mistake is ignoring setup tutorials. Most people get this wrong by jumping straight into data entry without watching short guides. Reviews often emphasize that learning the interface first dramatically reduces errors and speeds up filing. Second mistake, neglecting client organization. You won't believe how many new users enter documents haphazardly. Drake allows you to categorize clients, attach forms, and track deadlines. Reviews consistently show that organized users avoid missed forms and penalties. Third mistake, underutilizing reporting tools. The surprising truth is that Drake's reporting and reconciliation features are powerful for catching mistakes early. Many beginners miss this, leading to last-minute corrections. Reviews highlight how proactive users save hours and prevent errors issues. Fourth mistake, overlooking updates. Tax rules change yearly, and Drake frequently updates its software. Some users fail to install these updates promptly, causing outdated forms and calculations. Reviews consistently warn about keeping the software current. Finally, failing to leverage support resources is common. Drake offers email support, chat, and extensive knowledge bases. Reviews indicate that beginners who use support resolve problems faster and gain confidence. Using Drake software properly means taking time to learn the interface, organizing client data, using reporting tools, keeping the software updated, and leveraging support. Avoid these beginner mistakes to save time, reduce errors, and make tax season far less stressful.